So one of my daughters is in dance, and I thought it'd be a great time to stop in at the Value Village and see if we can find some items to upcycle. So I'll show you my finds and the haul at the end. One of the first places I check out is this section by the front that has planters, and I thought this watering can one was so sweet for $2.99, as well as this box with handles. They're so versatile. You can plant little succulents in there, put faux florals, or even just fill it in with a bunch of goodies like I was thinking to do for thank you gifts for the teachers. They had several of these 3-piece sets with the basket and little glass containers. One of these sets was $4.99 for the 3 pieces, and they had 5 different ones there. Okay, I love a beautiful handcrafted piece, and this hand-turned wood candle holder was stunning. I looked at it and eyed it a few times, but it looks like it was made by a local craftsperson. And I also found this amazing statue with 3 wooden owls on a stump. It felt really heavy, almost as if it was a stone or a cement, and it was a really beautiful, interesting statement piece. Okay, so these are completely ridiculous, but it has like a compartment in there that I can just envision putting some dried flowers and painting it. I don't know. Would you have picked this one up? Let me know in the comments below. It's only $2.49 for both pieces. There's a whole set of these, looks like maybe numbers from a wedding for the table settings. So cute. I could repaint those and use them for chalk couture. Really nice, but it seems a shame to separate them because maybe there's a bride who would find them and use them for her wedding. So I'll just leave those there. I got so excited when I found this piece. My parents in the 70s used to handcraft pieces such as these, and we don't have a lot of them. So I'm always on the lookout. I don't think this is one of theirs. They used a lot of cherry wood. It was $10.49 and had a really beautiful heavy weight to it. I was really excited. My mom used to do the carving and my dad used to do the wood turning to make pieces such as these. So they're very nostalgic. This is such a heavy piece, and it's actually a Lazy Susan. However, I can't tell what the material is, and the top has this kind of plastic that's peeling off. It's in really rough shape. So just for that price, I'm going to leave it. This is also a really nice sized platter or tray. It looks like the feet come up, so it's actually a breakfast in bed type of tray. Here's a decent just wood piece, $4.49, 20% off. Bring it to about $3, I guess. So that's worth it to make a cute sign with. Really cool. Super heavy. It's very messy inside. So tempted. One of my favorite thrift store pieces to make over are these utensil boxes, silverware boxes. This one's kind of just very plain. On the one hand, it's nice because you can put whatever you'd like on there, but it is nice if it has some sort of detail that makes it look a little bit fancier. There is so much silverware here today. I love to upcycle these because they have beautiful borders and you can get some really nice shapes and then paint them. And we have a number of different projects on the blog as examples of that. And here on our YouTube channel, I'll be sure to link a few below. But maybe we can pick up just a couple of them to work with. This one looks lovely under here. Some people would argue with me painting any of the silver. This is a cake stand. Oh my gosh, I can't decide. I'll do this little one here. Cute napkin on there and paint around the outside. Hi! The other craft supply that's so fun to get from the thrift store are some charger plates. So these are $2.99, although yeah, I would watch because sometimes at the dollar stores they can be cheaper even for the same price, and at least you're then getting new, but at least here you're reusing. So I may pick up one of those gold ones to use for a summer craft. Okay, so let's see which items I picked up and you let me know if these are the ones that you thought I was going to get. So I did grab these cuties. I've got this one. Then I also picked up this one. So these were each $2.99, and I'm planning to create little planters to give to the teachers. Flowers, faux florals, or some sola flowers. You could also just fill them maybe with some chocolates and treats that the teachers might like. And I should say that the whole haul, after my 20% off coupon that I had, came to just over $50 Canadian, which is about 35 US dollars. I did also grab the wood piece. It has a lot of potential, but we can distress it and paint it and decoupage it, and it can become all sorts of different things. So I did get this one. And of course, I couldn't leave without the flamingos. They just were too cute. The pair of them for $2.49. I'm really excited. I'm still thinking about how to make these. I think it will open up the little plastic panel. And like I said, put maybe some faux florals inside or some dried florals that I have from last summer, and then paint the rest of the flamingos. And they do come apart. They're just attached with an elastic band. So they are too cute. They could be like little bookends. I don't know. They're just really whimsical, unique, and fun. I did pick up a couple of the charger plates. So a silver and gold. They rang up at, and the sticker said 2 for $2.99. So I don't know that that was actually that great a deal, because I think I could probably get them at Dollar Tree for the same price or maybe even less, but I was there, and I think I'm going to use this one to do a summer themed sign with a little bit of decoupage, a napkin inside. This is a piece that I actually am not going to upcycle. I could not resist taking it, even though, like I said, it's not one of my parents that they made. I'm pretty sure it's not. It just is really reminded me of them, and I don't have actually any of their pieces. So until I can find some, I'll hold on to this one and have it as a keepsake. And every time I see it, it reminds me of my dad, who passed away last year. So I just thought it was a good keeper for the silver platters. I wanted to keep you guessing as to which ones I ended up getting. I got this little one, which is super cute, and this one was $2.99. I'll make a really sweet little sign, or we'll decoupage something inside and it can still be like a little serving platter. And then I got two more. This one has a gold tint to it. These are obviously not silver. They are some sort of metal because they're not tarnishing, but this one was $7.99, and then everything had the 20% off coupon. So I really like the shape of it. I like the handles. Again, we can either put something inside and have it as a tray, or we could have it as a shelf sitter, something that can lean up against the wall, or we can put a hanger on the back and have a piece of wall art when we're done with it. I will link in the description a couple of the other pieces that we've made with metal trays, silver platters and things like that. They turn out really beautiful. So for just a few dollars, you can make a gorgeous gift, something absolutely unique and handmade. This is the last one, final piece, and look how beautiful. It too looks like it's some sort of metal, not silver, because it's not tarnished. I actually am going to order some decoupage papers, and I have two that I've picked out. I'm going to show you this one or this one, and I want you to leave a comment below and let me know which one you think I should get for this particular platter. If you find a substantial piece like this and you are inclined to give it a makeover, you could make make a really nice housewarming gift or even a gift for a wedding shower. So those were my thrift store finds. Oh, let me show you this one more. I didn't pick this one up on this thrift store trip, but my mother-in-law did when she was out there. So this was also in the silvers section, and this one is actual silver. You can see how it's tarnishing in there. It was $5.99, and she got 30% off because she gets the seniors discount. So I don't know, this one I'm not sure what we're going to do with it. I'm really tempted to paint it on the inside, but if you have any ideas or some inspiration images or videos to send, let me know. It is really cute. A nice, I don't know, you can't really put fruit in it because I think the acids and the silver, they don't get along, but to get a silver polish and polish it up and then have it as a really, really lovely piece too. Let me know which of these were a hit. Which would you get? Are you surprised about any of my choices? I think I played it pretty safe this go around, so probably the flamingos are the most wild of the bunch, and we'll see what we're gonna make with them all. Happy crafting!